Cracking it.
69.
What'd you do? 69 what?
Ooh. Oh.
That's what's broke on my car.
Wait,
hold on,
Scotty,
hold
we're
on.
in the middle of something.
No, don't go anywhere, Scotty. Don't go anywhere. Hey, hold
You
on,
gotta go ahead?
pause.
Hold.
All the way down.
Ooh, that shit's so nasty. That was like rust.
Are you closing it?
I will. I'm gonna do it. I have to go another one because it was so bad.
Are you closing it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Pump that shit. Ooh, that was smooth. All right, one more. Pump it.
Oh, sorry.
Don't say "oh, daddy."
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, baby.
He's punched that goddamn child. Scotty, why are you mad at us?
I didn't say I was mad.
Why are you grouchy?
Make him do it.
He's holding it.
Okay, I got an air bubble. Hold on. One more time. I gotta fix that brake shit because it hits the bottom of the thing.
There's a problem or
Okay.
Your mom's problem. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, we're doing on the right rear.
Good.
what? All right, guys. We'll get back to you when
All
we're
right,
up at the
I'm
front.
gonna slide out. Thanks, child.
Nope.
Okay, so we're trying to do the right front.
Hey, go the other way.
Turn it right, hard right. So no matter what we do,
That's what she said.
talk about your mother like that.
I talked to my mom a million ways I want.
It's definitely not happy.
Ooh, it's more play than this.
Seized.
Yep.
All right, so
Get that back.
Oh, I was trying to eat your inch too.
Oh, dude. Seriously.
Okay, so we need front wheel cylinders.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Because, yeah, 7/16 doesn't fit.
We put
10
the line wrench on
10's
it.
a little too big. What
We
the
put everything on it. Ow!
Hey. All right. So 10's a little too big.
Hey, knock it off!
Look.
I see. What? Box, not open. Jesus.
It got stuck. You got.
You may.
Look, guys. Too much play. Now I gotta get my wrench back.
But we put a 3/8 on it. We do whatever we do.
Okay, this is.
Stuck.
Yeah, 3/8. Look. That's too much. It's too much play.
Get 3/8 box.
That,
Put it on it. See?
no, I'm not.
That's
Same shit.
Oh, it is 3/8.
Wait.
And it's seized. Like you put all your ass in it and it's seized.
Yeah.
Cute.
Can't-
Really fucking cute. Alright, so.
Yep.
We need front wheel cylinders. Great! Great! More headaches.